Here are 3 tasks that you can do for people. What they don't know is you'll have the process completely automated. Here we go. Task number 1, removing background from images. Step number 1, go to Remove.bg, drag in the image, then boom. Within seconds, the background is completely gone. You can also use the paid version of Canva. So number 2 is repurposing people's social media content and then pushing it out on all social media platforms. You're going to head over to repurpose.io. Here you'll be able to connect all of their social media platforms, and through this website it'll take the content from, say, TikTok to Instagram, we'll repurpose it for each social media platform. And the final one is taking somebody's blog post. Head over to invideo.io and you're going to select text to video and bam, YouTube video. It takes a blog into a full-blown YouTube video by the click of a button. Automation, baby. Remember to work smarter, not harder. Hey, that's really terrible advice. Always work hard, put your best foot forward. Do the best you can.